So last night, someone clearly breached the defenses of this particular feeder. That used to be pretty much completely full. That had 3/4 of a suet block. That had jelly. And this was semi-clean. This was also in a completely different place. That's the camera mount that I use to film close-ups that I have not yet been able to post. But my best guess is that a squirrel launched himself from that bush onto here. I did try to give it a good 6-7 feet when I put things up, but that's my best guess. I don't think he necessarily got over the squirrel baffle, but I could be wrong. It definitely happened last night after it was dark. So cleanup time, and we'll see if it continues to happen.